Today I'm going to do a rundown of all the mods that I've done to my Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. It is an off-road, four-wheel drive, manual transmission. And I had a request recently. Somebody asked me, what are all the mods? Is there one video that shows all the mods that you've done on your truck? So I thought, I'm not quite sure myself anymore. And as it turns out, I've got about 32 of them. So we're going to run through. I'm going to show you everything I've done so far to make the truck look like it does now. First of all is debadging. You can see the Tacoma is gone here on the side and of course on both sides. You can see over there obviously. And then back here on the back as well. And one that I just noticed that I forgot, so we have 33, and I'll say that one right now, and that's the lettering, the inserts there that spell out Tacoma. Next up is the window tint. This is a 20% tint, front windows, sides only, and it was my attempt to try to match the back. It's pretty close, but honestly, it's a hair bit darker. Next up, we'll check in the bed here. You guys can see it has a bed mat in it. That's to keep stuff from sliding around all over the place in there. And then back up here in the corner right there and right over there, you can see the tie downs that used to be chrome or silver colored are now painted black. Next up, pretty simple thing here, custom license plate frame. That came from Tough Skins, as did the inserts there. But we have the custom frame back there, and then up here in the front I just put a black cheapo frame on here. You can see right here, just to kind of finish things off a little bit, that's all. Next we need to go around to the back, trying to do the outside first here so we're not popping in and out, and that would be the TRD exhaust. You can see right there. I know it's a bit dirty right now. The whole truck's a bit dirty, but it does have a TRD exhaust that I put on the same day I picked up the truck actually. Next up, fuel wheels. These are awesome. I love these with the round holes in them. Pretty cool. And of course, if you have wheels, you have to have tires. These are Goodyear Duratrax. They are a 285/70 R17. You can see right there, hopefully. Next up, the truck is lifted, and it does have, while we're in the back here, Bilstein 5100s down there. And then up in the front, it is a ReadyLift, by the way. We have coilovers and struts. They are Bilstein 6112s. It is a ReadyLift kit, and there is a spacer built in, which is what I liked about this, in the top of the strut there. So, or the coil rather, you can see right there. Pretty cool. Of course, all the stuff that goes with it underneath, the diff drop and the bar drop, which you can see right there, the silver. It's actually an aluminum spacer, if you will. Next up, Predator side steps, all nice and dirty. Smoke turn signals, we're at number 11 now. These are from Meso Customs. These are pretty cool. I like that as opposed to the chrome again in my effort to get rid of chrome. Next up, these little logo magnets. Obviously you could have these to be whatever you want if you wanted them. They actually came as stickers. My wife cut out a magnet and put it on the back so they can just be pulled off if you want. My latest, on the front there, you can see it does have Voodoo Blue shackles up front now. These things are awesome. I love the look of the truck with those on. Pretty darn cool. Underneath, you can tell, there is a TRD skid plate with blue lettering on it. That is customized. I did it. I painted it black and added the Voodoo Blue TRD letters you can see underneath there. Back around to the back again. I just wanted to make sure I cover everything that's on the truck. And of course we have the blue, close to Voodoo Blue, RobMotive channel stickers. Just more about the look, you know. Underneath, and you probably won't be able to see this, I'll give you a flash under there anyway, maybe you can pick it out. But underneath there, you'll notice there is a little hose poking out. That is the AC drain line hose. Going under the hood. Let's go ahead and pop that up. Of course, it is one-hand operation now. There you go. We have the TRD cold air intake, which is honestly going to be changed out soon for something else. That will be given away on the channel, so stay tuned for that as soon as I get my new one in, which shipped this week, by the way. We will be taking that out, and there'll be a giveaway on the channel for that if you're interested, so make sure you subscribe. That'll be part of the requirements, I guess. Then we have the hood struts. These are from Redline Tuning. That enables me to open the hood without having to put this bar up here, which I can't stand. Pretty cool little mod. On the front, kind of hidden right back there, is an LED light bar. Pretty cool, love that. Next up, under the hood still, we've got the Trigger 4 wireless accessory switch. This is the part that you connect your accessories to, and of course is controlled by a switch panel inside. Speaking of inside, let's go ahead and pop the door open. It's dirty in here, I'll warn you right off. Right there is the switch, by the way. This is what connects to the Trigger 4 unit under the hood there. We have the steering wheel emblem. We're at number 21 now for anybody that's keeping track. Actually 22 because of those back letters. But there's the steering wheel chrome delete emblem. You can get that in many different colors. That's from AJT Design. I did a chrome delete here on the cup holder surround. This used to be chrome, this little piece here. I actually popped it off from the back and I painted it black. Love that. Gets rid of the chrome right there. Pretty darn cool. Custom console lid. Check that out. Mine, of course, is channel themed because I do have the channel. You can get that however you want, but I love that. That is an awesome touch in here, I think. I also changed out the shift boot. It does have blue lettering in it now. I don't know if you guys can make that out on the camera. It's very subtle, and that was by intent. It is blue. And then the shift boot, the same thing. It has blue stitching in it. It is a very light blue, but it is there. The shift knob, it is candy blue, trying to get close to voodoo blue once again. Another thing, and you can't see that right now, but on the screen there, when you go into reverse, the truck used to be white. You know, it has a 360-degree cam, and it would show the truck in white. I thought the truck ought to be blue, so I managed to find out how to do that, and I changed it to blue to match my truck. Dirty all-weather floor mats, both in the front and around in the back here. You guys can see, again, everything is filthy dirty. Let's see, and those were number 29 actually. Glove box lettering over there, you can see it has Tacoma. These are the lettering or insert gel letters for the glove box, again from Tough Skins. Pretty darn cool. Let's see, around to the back we have the grab handles. These were made and sent to me by Terrence Tatum. Thanks again, Terrence. These are awesome. And then a couple of bag hangers on each seat over here and over there. Those are for groceries or whatever. You just kind of hang those plastic bags there and they kind of float around. Those are pretty cool. Next up, we have the seat stuffers. You can see right there, they say Toyota on them. A subscriber, actually, Stinger, sent me those for my Tundra, but I thought they'd look pretty cool in here, so those are pretty awesome. You can get those on Amazon, but they probably won't have Toyota in them. Next up, we've got a couple of things out here, and these are paint protection for where you reach in to grab the handle. You know, nails always grab into here when you reach in, so there's a thin film piece here, and then down the corner or edge of each door there is another real thin film to protect the doors from dinging into stuff, you know, like hopefully not other cars, but walls or whatever you might come up against here. So I had that done as well. And I believe that is the entire list. So 34 items I've done so far, everything from big to small. Just wanted to include everything since somebody asked me what I had on the truck, or was there a video anywhere that showed everything. So there you go. That's everything that's on the truck to date. It's going to change soon. I have several more things coming, several more things on order. So that list isn't going to be up to date for too long. So stay tuned for that. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this stuff. Do you guys have any of this stuff? Are you looking to put any of this stuff on? I'd be curious. Also, real quick channel plug. If you haven't before and you're interested, check out my other channel. It is RobMotion JT. Changed the name recently. It's RobMotion JT. All about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.